Well, now we're joined by Kevin Travis from Aztec Oils. Just tell us about why you decided to let the young people into your business today.
Future development of future scientists, people working within science in STEM industries is really important to Aztec. Aztec is at its heart chemistry in foundation, and we have to bring through the next generation.
Yeah, we hear a lot, don't we, especially in the media, about skills shortages in industries like manufacturing, engineering. How vital is it that we try and inspire that next generation and that future pipeline of talent?
Absolutely vital. The strange thing within the chemical industry is the shortage is not in places in universities and things like that. The shortage is in young people actually taking on the subject in the first place. There's obviously the shortages in maths and engineering, but they're also there within subjects such as physics, chemistry and biology.
And lastly, I suppose on a local level as well, how important is it to you that you're bringing in local talent to your business? I suppose that makes more financial sense, doesn't it, for a business like yours?
Yeah, it's really important to Aztec that we recruit locally. Most of our people are local people, obviously. Within the lab ourselves, we've recruited graduates locally, we've recruited young apprentices locally as well. So we try and take people at different levels, and we're trying to get everybody up to be positive contributors to society.